Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, RGNX just filed an 8K reporting its second quarter financial results, and I'm seeing a key update on a major study. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. REGENXBIO is reporting its latest financials and gave us an update on a crucial drug trial that could be a big deal for the company. This is a current report, meaning REGENXBIO Incorporated is sharing important news with investors. The company we are looking at today is REGENXBIO Incorporated, ticker RGNX. They are in the biotechnology space, focusing on gene therapy. The report is dated the 6th of August 2026, and this is the date of the earliest event they are reporting. REGENXBIO Incorporated was incorporated in Delaware. Their commission file number is 001-37553, and their IRS employer identification number is 47-1,851,754. Their principal executive offices are located at 9804 Medical Center Drive, Ive in Rockville, Maryland. Their phone number is 240-552-8181. REGENXBIO Incorporated has common stock registered on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol RGNX. They are not electing to use the extended transition period for new or revised financial accounting standards. The main reason for this filing is to report on the company's financial results and operational status for the quarter ending the 30th of June 2026. They have issued a press release detailing these results, which is attached as Exhibit 99.1. This means we need to look at that press release for the juicy details. It is important to note that information provided in this section and the exhibit are generally not considered filed for liability purposes under Section 18 of the Exchange Act, but it is still crucial for understanding the company's performance. Looking at the exhibits, we see that Exhibit 99.1 is the press release from the 6th of August 2026 about their financial results. There is also Exhibit 104, which is the cover page formatted in Inline XBRL, a standard for financial reporting. Now, let's talk about the actual content of that press release, as that is where the story is. The company is REGENXBIO Incorporated. The report is signed by Patrick J. Christmas II, who is the Executive Vice President, Chief Strategy and Legal Officer. This tells us that the legal and strategic aspects of this filing have been overseen by him. Now, let's dive into the financial update. REGENXBIO announced its results for the second quarter ended the 30th of June 2026. While this filing itself doesn't contain the detailed financial tables, it points us to the press release for that information. We know from recent headlines that their second quarter financial update was highly anticipated, with a stock analysis suggesting a significant upside potential of over 136%. However, we also saw a sharp 15% drop in the stock after hours on the 16th of July, indicating some investor concern or perhaps profit taking after positive news. The most critical piece of information here is likely related to their clinical trials, especially the Affinity Duchenne study for RGX-202, which had positive top-line results announced in May. This drug targets Duchenne muscular dystrophy, a severe genetic disorder. Positive results from a pivotal phase third study like Affinity Duchenne are a huge step towards potential FDA approval. This is the kind of news that can significantly impact a biotech company's valuation. Looking at the broader context, REGENXBIO has a market cap of around $672 million, with the stock trading around $10.5. Their current price is well within its 52-week range of $5.46 to $16.19. They have 371 employees. Major institutional holders like BlackRock, Red Mile Group, and JP Morgan Chase and co-hold substantial stakes, suggesting that large investors are closely watching the company's progress, particularly the outcomes of their clinical trials. The financial health is always a concern for biotech companies, which often burn through cash funding expensive research and development. We've seen analyses questioning their cash runway, which is how long they can operate before needing additional funding. This is why the financial results for the quarter are so important. Are they burning cash faster than expected? Are they making progress on revenue generation? Or is it all still R&D based? Without the actual financial tables from the press release, we can only infer. However, the fact that they are reporting results and providing an update on a phase 3 trial suggests they are moving forward. The positive results from the Affinity Duchenne study are a major indicator of potential future success. If RGX-202 gets approved, it could be a game changer for REGENXBIO and for patients suffering from Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The key takeaway here is that while the 8K filing itself is formal, the attached press release holds the operational and financial narrative. The focus for investors would be on how these quarterly results align with the progress of their key drug candidates, particularly RGX-202. Any indication of faster than expected progress or significant setbacks in their clinical pipeline would be the most important news. The risk I am watching is the company's ability to continue funding its extensive research and development efforts while awaiting potential drug approvals. What I am actually looking for is the cash burn rate and how it compares to their projected timelines for key regulatory milestones. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord in the description.